In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable a service in Ubuntu using the terminal. We will use the Bluetooth service as an example because it is usually available on most systems, even in the Try Ubuntu mode. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time on your keyboard. To check if the Bluetooth service is running, type this command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. You will see some information. If it says active, it means the Bluetooth service is running. If it says inactive, then it is not running. Now, if you want to stop the Bluetooth service for now, type this command showing on the screen. Press Enter. You might be asked for your password. If you want to start the Bluetooth service again, type this command showing on the screen and press Enter. To disable the Bluetooth service from starting at boot, type this command showing on the screen. This command stops the service from starting automatically when your system starts. To enable it again, type this command showing on the screen. This will make it start automatically next time you turn on your computer. That's it. Now you know how to check the status of a service and how to enable, disable, start, or stop it using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.